subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new affordable A-series smartphone in the European market called Moto E32s with premium looking design, and it is slightly tweaked version of the recently launched Moto E32 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Moto E32s features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a vertically aligned triple camera setup that includes a 16-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Moto E32s comes powered by MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of onboard storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 out of the box with MyUX skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP52 certified for splash assistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.95 by 74.94 by 8.49mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto E32s has been priced in the European market at €149.99 for the base variant, and it will be soon available for purchase in slate grey and misty silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto E32s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.